it's your girl Kia Cole, and I'm back with a video. So what is up? I know I've been gone for a while. I haven't posted a wig video in some amount of time, but I have a couple of wig videos coming your way, so fear not. I know it's hot girl summer coming up. It's the season for everybody to be out of the house. A lot of the COVID restrictions have dropped, so yeah, let's get into it. So the company that we're going to be reviewing today is called PHOENIXFLY. They sent me a lovely package, so I will be unboxing that for you guys today. This is the box that it came in. Very cute, simple, and sleek. And the wig that I'm going to be reviewing is something different because, you guys, it has color. You know I love me some color. So this is going to be very, very fun. Inside the box, of course, they gave us a wig cap. And they also gave us some sponges, I guess, if you need to put some makeup on your lace. But yeah, so let's get into this wig, honey, because I am ready. So this is the package that the wig came in, and guess what? It's red. This is gonna be exciting. I don't even know if I did a red wig on here before. I think so, but I'm not really sure. So the other thing that you need to know about this wig is synthetic. So, you know, I don't really have too many synthetic wigs on my page, but on TikTok, that is the one thing that everybody is promoting, is those synthetic wigs. So we are going to give this a try and see what it looks like. Let me try to do a thumbnail real quick to see if I can take a cute picture. So this one has curls. I was a little bit nervous when I first saw it because I'm like, oh Lord, this is like somebody's grandma wig. Like, we finna go to church. Church Sunday, Easter Sunday was last Sunday, but the curls look very beautiful. They're bouncy. It doesn't even look like a synthetic wig. I know back in the day, synthetic wigs were not the way to go, but now they are popping, honey, so get into it. You do not need human hair, especially when you have a curly wig. You do not need any heat. On the inside of this wig, it has two combs at the top, and it's a breathable wig cap, so you don't have to worry about being hot. And then it also has the little bra strap things in the back, so you can adjust it and make it tighter or loosen. And yeah, it doesn't have a part or any lace or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about it being hot, or you don't have to worry about any glue. You could just put this bad boy on and go, okay? You ain't gotta do all the extra stuff if you don't know how to do all that. The scissors, the glue, the lace, the this, the that, the wig scalp, all of that. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. It's just grab and go. And then like the middle part, I guess you could do like a full bang if you wanted to. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this wig on and see how it looks. I'm excited. Got some color in the building, got some curls. So yeah, let's just jump into it and see what this wig looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, so if you just put it on your head, this is what it's gonna look like. It's giving me like Curly Sue going to church, the lady who work at the front desk, who always got lipstick on her teeth. But yeah, so this is what it looks like when you directly put it on. Fear not. If you are not a hairstylist, you're gonna be mad when you pull this out. So we are going to comb this wig out and see if we could give it a little razzle dazzle or flavor, okay? Because yeah, this is not what it's supposed to look like. So let's try to see if we can tame the beast. Well, it's not a beast because it's beauty. Let's make it a beast. Okay, so I'm gonna comb it out on camera so you guys can see. I don't know if I should do like a wide tooth comb or pick it with my hands. I don't even want to mess the curls up. And the thing I love about this wig is it's not dry at all. Like, you don't need to put any product on it. I was thinking, let me get some spray, but I don't even think you need it because it has a good amount of, like, it doesn't need anything. It's not that dry and like dusty. It looks like it has shine already. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I like my wigs big, so this is perfect. Now we getting somewhere, girl. Yes. Let me see. Oh my God. Can you imagine this in black? They'll think this your hair. Okay, let me see. And the fact that this wig is only $23, like, that's a steal. $23. And they have Prime shipping, so if you're a Prime member, you can get it very quickly. If you need like a wig for the weekend or something. Let me see what it's giving, honey. And I don't want to cut nothing, so hopefully I don't have to cut because I'm not good at cutting bangs and stuff. But I love it. I don't know if I need to do any more. What y'all thinking so far? Let me see. Yeah, if I move it back, I might have to cut a little bit out of the bang area. This is perfect, and we can add some earrings, honey. Cause y'all know I got the earrings on deck. Let me see. I'm loving this. I think I'm gonna have to change my outfit because it's kind of clashing with the blue. It has minimum shedding, and I think it's only because I'm like picking through the hair, but I don't see a lot. It's very, very minimum. I love it. So you don't need a comb, you don't need a brush or anything like that. I would probably suggest that you use your fingers because you don't want to like bother with the original curl pattern. But it does do the job if you use your fingers to do it. I'm not sure what inch this was. Let me see if it's on the box. No, it just says short, Afro curly synthetic. It doesn't say a length, but the link will be in the bio so you guys can purchase it. So fear not. I should go pick my daughter up. She'll say, "You got your hair done?"
Your hair is red. That's so pretty, mommy.
Girl.
Oh, I like it. You look cute today.
Close the
I
door.
can't close the door because I'm about to fall out of the car.
I had to do a wig review.
A wig review. It's glued?
Huh?
It's glued, right?
No, I put it on myself. It look glued? It look like my hair?
You didn't glue it.
No, it's not glued.
How it staying on so tight?
Cause you put it on and it stay on.
That's so cute.
Thank you.
I love it. Mommy, can I dye my hair?
No.
No? No.
What you said?
Your hair like Mirabelle.
It's like Mirabelle?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Mirabelle got red hair?
No, she got like curly hair.
Oh.
Black.
It's black. So how my hair like Mirabelle?
But it's fluffy like hers. Mommy, watch where you going because I'm not trying to try. Love.
You like it?
Yeah. It's so pretty. Is that your wig?
Is that a wig? Yeah, it's a wig.
Do I wear it?
Because I needed to do a video.
Oh. No.
I know a girl who used to sell wigs like this, and she used to charge like hundreds of dollars for these type of wigs. I think it was like $300. And I'm like, girl, for what? That's probably a synthetic wig anyway. But can you imagine only getting this for like $23? All right, so this is how it looks. I added some earrings and some lip gloss, and I am feeling it. I took the blue shirt off because I feel like it was clashing, but yes, she is serving looks, honey. Now, I did go back on Amazon and I see that this does come in red, blonde, blue, pink, orange, all types of colors. But if you want a natural color, black is where it's at. I love the red too because it is given if you want to give it like a little bit of flavor. But I think too, if you want to do the black, it'll be a natural look. They won't be able to tell like that it's a wig, that it's not your hair. So, but I love the bounce. It doesn't smell. It like the curl pattern, if you want to keep it in curls, you can totally do that. That's totally fine. But I just love how this looks. Look at that. Even when I step back, like she is giving, honey, all types of teas. Who gonna talk about me? Nobody. But yeah, so You guys drop a comment below and let me know what you're thinking. If you're feeling this wig, if you tried this wig before, if you tried this hair company. I think I want to go ahead and purchase the black so I can have 2 options, but this wig is everything, especially for $23. Like, you cannot go wrong. But don't forget, you guys, this wig is called PHOENIXFLY. The company is PHOENIXFLY. I will be dropping a link down below in the description so you guys can go ahead and purchase it yourself. But other than that, that's all the time I have for today. I want to do like a little quick weave, quick look, so you guys can have options. Check out my TikTok video. I will be posting a few videos on this wig and things like that. So I hope you guys are feeling it. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. You guys have a good one. Stay safe. Peace.